it's riddled with holes. Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over another fantastic subscription box from Threadbeast. At least I hope so. This one is the $85 essential plan. So we're going to go ahead and jump into today's box and get straight into it. If you guys want to check out more Threadbeast videos, I will leave a link to my playlist down in the description below, where I do monthly Threadbeast videos, normally 2 a month, 3 a month sometimes, so definitely check those out as well. As far as I can tell, it's got some good weight on it. Definitely feels pretty good. So hopefully we got some good clothes in there, guys. Let's go ahead and open it up. I've already taken the liberty to go ahead and make a slick little cut. Let's go ahead and open up our box and check it out. Alright guys, now since we got the first impression out of the way, let's go ahead and put the box to the side and go over each and every individual item within this and check it out. All right. All right, for our first item, we have this Sound Class shirt from Nixon. Let's go ahead and open it up and see if there's anything on the back. So far, just the Sound Class all white shirt, and there is an awesome set of speakers and stuff on the back. It looks like super cool shirt. Really like the all white. Don't really wear too much of it, so every time I see it in my closet I'm like, yeah, that'll fit. That's nice. I like it. The fabric feels of great quality actually, which is normal within Threadbeast clothes. I have a lot of people that's hating on Threadbeast, and I'm like, why do you all hate? Because the clothes are actually pretty fresh. I have seen some things wrong with the clothes, but when I do, I'll point them out for y'all, you know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and fold this one up as nicely as we can and go ahead and move on to our next item. Now since we got that folded up and out of the way, let's go ahead and check out our next item, which is this Crooks and Castles hoodie. Gonna actually open this one up as well. Maybe something's on the back hidden there. Throw that down. That is actually super nice hoodie, but I think it's a little bit big for me. But a lot better too big than too small. I think it's supposed to be an XL, but it feels like a 2XL. Pretty large. Let's check out the back. Nothing on the back at all. So definitely digging that, guys. Tell me what you think down in the comment section below. If you guys gotten any Crooks and Castles or any other hoodies or any other shirts from this brand. I've seen them a few times, but never got a hoodie from them. It's pretty slick. Let's move on to our next item after I fold this one up. As you can tell, my folding skills are subpar to say the least, but let's go ahead and move on to our next item and check it out as well. Next, we got this super fresh staple shirt, which I've actually seen a couple people already unbox because I'm also checking out all the other creators and what they unbox from their Threadbeast boxes, you know what I'm saying? But this one's actually been on my waiting list. I've been wanting to check this one out for a grip. So glad that they actually sent me this one. Shout out to Staple and Threadbeast. Definitely super cool. And I believe this one is part of the collection. No, this one's just a normal Staple shirt. But they did do a short time where they did some Threadbeast and Staple co-branded clothing as well. Let's go ahead and fold that up and set that over there. Did a little bit better of a job and pretty quick on that one too, so super proud of that. Let's go ahead and move on to our next item, which is going to be some undies from PSD. So these ones are super fresh, actually 95% cotton and 5% elastane. Articulated comfort pouch, got moisture wicking, comfort waistband, odor killing technology, active stretch fabric, 7-inch seam, flat stitch construction featuring a microfiber blend for dynamic comfort and support. The most comfortable everyday underwear. All right, guys, and that's my version of a little PSD commercial for you all. Definitely super cool. I'm actually about to open these up just so I can get like a little overall feel. Got that elastine on them. All right, cool. That's what I can deal with those. All right, now let's go ahead and move on to our next item. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in this pouch. Next on the list is this dope hat right here. And it's a curved bill hat, but it's a little loose up top right here. As you can tell, it's like deformed already. It's not really tough right there. So definitely not liking this hat whatsoever. I like that it's a dope hat, but it's definitely not a dope hat whatsoever. This is like some like Daffy Duck looking hat. Like even the hat itself looks like Daffy Duck. It looks goofy. It looks like a little eye right here. Super goofy, bro. I definitely don't want to get caught seen wearing that hat right there. But that's just because it's not my style. If you guys like that hat, let me know. If you guys don't like this hat and you agree entirely with me, also let me know down in the comment section and say goofy ass hat. There's something say goofy. But now let's move on to our last and final item, which is exactly what last means. So no need to put the and final, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, listen. Now, here it is. This is an Elwood hoodie or shirt. Here. All right, this is like an extremely light hoodie. And it actually feels very flexible. It's got like a kind of like a hemp type material. Feels like a hemp basket or something, but it's long sleeve, and really like this one, guys. Definitely think it's super slick. Super slick. But on the hood right here, on the hood right there are a bunch of marks. A bunch of damage on the clothing, which I've seen this multiple times. Look at that. It's like the whole thing is ate up, guys. So that is concerning. I'm gonna holler at Threadbeast about that. I mean, there is entirely, I don't know if that's supposed to be just because it's only on the hood. It's only on the hood, so maybe it's supposed to be like that. But if so, that's just a huge mess up on Elwood's part, trying to make some clothing like that. But I guess people like clothing that's ripped up anyway, so might as well get some more ripped up stuff from your Threadbeast clothes, right? You know, half the people that probably watching these videos probably like, yo, I wear ripped jeans all the time. Well, you wear ripped jeans, bro. Let's go ahead and get these ripped shirts in style next. You know what I'm saying? Now, since we got everything out of the box, let's go ahead and do a quick recap, even though you guys can already see it right in front of you. But we have the Crooks and Castles hoodie, the PSD undies, the dope, undope hat, the Sound Clash shirt, the Elwood torn hoodie, and then we got the Staples shirt as well sitting right there. All of them look fantastic. I'm just not sure about that Elwood with the hoodie with the rips in it on the hood, but I guess it doesn't matter. It's still actually a pretty cool hoodie, and I'm definitely going to be wearing it anyway. Like, I like the fabric, and if it's comfortable, I don't even care. Like, it doesn't even have to be stylish for me to wear if it's comfortable, because I don't care what y'all think. I don't care what they think. I don't care what anybody thinks. People say, yo, your gloves are stupid. And I'm like, I don't care. I like them. They're cool. They got silicone on the bottoms, you know what I mean? A little bit of tobacco stains right here because I'm stressed out. But that's what it is. Real life unboxing, guys. So I'm about to actually start putting some more real life stuff in here for you all. Start showcasing my personality a little bit more. But I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.